Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So guys, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has got a new software update. So in this video, I will show you how to update the software, and then later I will show you what this software update is all about. So let's start. First of all, you have to go into the settings. Okay, so once you enter into the settings, you have to scroll down from the left side. Okay, so once you scroll down completely at the end, you will see this option over here. It says software update. Okay, so just select it, and once you select this software update option, on the right side you will see the very first option over here. It says download and install. Okay, so just select it, and once you select it, you will see the new software update information. Okay, and you will see the download link over here, the download button over here. So I will use my S Pen, and then I simply just start downloading. It will take a few minutes to complete the download. So guys, the software update has been completed. Now we will see what this update is all about. So I will go to settings again, and then I will go to the software update. Okay, and then you see this last update that I just finished now. So we open it, and then you will see what's new in this update. So the number one thing in this update is related to the security patch level. So the security patch level has been improved. If you want to know more about security patch level, there is a link over here. So when you click it, it will open a link for you. It will open a website for you from the Samsung, which includes all the information. So you will see this is the last update related to the security, which is on January 1st, 2022. This is the latest one. So you have please update your tablet, because it is really important to update your security patch level. And then there is a build number as well. It also gives you the information about Android version, the release date. Okay, so the next thing is related to the device stability and improvement. They've fixed some bugs. Okay, and then there is a new or enhanced feature. So when I try to use the tablet, it will give me more smoother performance, if you can see over here. Then we also have the new or enhanced features, and the further improvements to the performance. If you try to scroll down, if you want to use the tablet in a little faster way, you will see there is a difference. So this is all about this software update. So I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.